Liquid musician. Liquid are a British dance act formed by Eamon Downes, a.k.a. AIM, and Shane Heneghan, a.k.a. DJ Model. Sweet Harmony, Liquid's first and best-known track, layered the house music of CeCe Rogers' Someday over rolling breakbeats. Initially released in 1991 on the self-pressed white label Liquid EP of 500 copies, it was re-released to a wider audience on a.k.a. recordings in the following year. The Sweet Harmony single was followed by the Future Music EP, which included Liquid is Liquid. Following Heneghan's departure from the group after the first two releases, Liquid's reputation for recording alternative dancefloor fillers was cemented with Time to Get Up and the flamenco guitars of One Love Family, both of which were Mixmag singles of the week. The first three EP were recorded with producer Jezz Wright at Blockhouse. Liquid have achieved top 40 singles in the UK and several European hits. The Enemy described the a.k.a. Recordings album Liquid Culture as sophisticated. Liquid has performed live in many countries over many years. December 2007 saw the re-release of Sweet Harmony on a.k.a. Recordings with remixes by James Talk. A drum and bass remix of Sweet Harmony by Danny Byard was released in early 2010. Discography. Albums: Culture 1995, Energy Flows 2017. Singles and EP: Liquid EP 1991, Sweet Harmony 1992 UK-15, The Future Music EP 1992 UK-59, Time to Get Up 1993 UK-46, Liquid Love EP 1994 UK-93, Sweet Harmony / One Love Family 1995 UK-14, Closer 1995 UK-47, Strong 1998 UK-59, Orlando Dawn 2000 UK-53, Sweet Harmony 2004 UK-87, Sweet Harmony Danny Byard featuring Liquid 2010 UK-64,